Hello. So week 7, MySQL here, starting off with the workbench. Have the schema projects created right here. Under admin, went to user and privileges, created the username and password, and then set privileges, selected all these and applied like so. Now going over to the Tom XML file. I followed Dr. Rob pretty much through all of this, going into the MySQL connector, set it to Java version 11, and then in the Apache Maven, copied and pasted this plugin into here. Going on to the packages, so projects here, DAO, entity, exception are all set right there. Let's see, in this DB exception here, again, just follow Dr. Rob in extending the runtime exceptions, and then what was it? I guess uh, creating a superclass. I think is one of the things that he was talking about, and it's also in this documentation here. So have that method right there. And then showing the DB connection class here, set up all these, I think it's parameters, or I can't remember what it's called. But yeah, to set up these here for the passwords and the port schema user, and then creating this method based off the connection class, this variable here, these %s is just calling up here in this dot format method, and then it's just kind of taking the host and port and all that and putting it in here, using a try catch method, um, using the driver manager class and creating an object out of the SQL exception to throw a non-catch expression. I think I'm gonna research a lot of this. It's a lot to take in. And then going down, then it talks about the dot ignore stuff, but I just wanted to show the project's apps here. So the DB connection dot get connection method here, and I can run this and you can see that it's working just fine, just like in there. But the dot ignore stuff, I was having a hard time with pushing to Git because it wasn't ignoring these. This is something I added on, this asterisk, because I found it on doing some research and it says that it works, but I tried both ways here and it wasn't really working for me. But like I said, I'm gonna go over this stuff. I really want to understand this a little bit more. I kind of get the basics of it, but I just need to do a little bit more research. But yeah, there it is. I'm excited to get into creating this database and some DOA projects that I have in mind. So yeah,